Hello everyone, my name is Jutanal Ahmed and today I'm going to be unboxing the Neewer 410 condenser mic. Stay tuned. So let's begin. This condenser mic is actually See, I never finish my sentence, do I? I always... Oh, that's very nice. Hold on. Let me just put the knife away. Let's be safe. So, before we actually begin with the... Put that on the floor. Before we actually begin with the mic itself, that's interesting. Why is this box open? Interesting. Is this a return? Very interesting. This is meant to be brand new, by the way. That looks like it's been resealed. Look at that. That's unbelievable. So I basically got a used one, but I've paid brand new prices. Look, there we go. It says that it's new apparently. Okay. I was going to say before we begin, this is a cable that I got. I'll just quickly cut that open. This cable is, I'm using this brand. Do you know why? It's very, not only regarding quality, but not only regarding audio quality, but the quality of the actual cable is so smooth. I love it. So this cable, I've got another 2-3 meter cables, but I bought this 30 centimeter cable because I'm gonna connect one of these mics to my actual camera, and I don't need it to be too long. Anywho, let me just show you the brand of this. It's made in Japan, the Mogami cable, which are apparently the most sought after. But yeah, these are apparently the world's best cables, 10-year warranty. We'll see about that. Anywho, I'll put this cable to the side, but it's all gold inside. It's meant to be a great XLR cable. We're getting derailed from the actual unboxing, ain't we? Anyways, this is the Neewer 410 condenser mic. There's 2 mics within this, and each mic has 3 heads, which is a super cardioided, a cardioided, and an omnidirectional head. But what we'll do is, I want to say we'll unbox it and cut this, but it looks like it's already been opened, which is actually upset me. Do you know what? I'm really upset. I'm actually genuinely upset. I'll open it this way this time. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this has definitely been reused. Declaration. What is this? EU Declaration of Conformity. Shenzhen Neewer. Okay, this is from China. Blah 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 blah. It's a Neewer 410 pencil condenser stick instrument microphone kit. Maybe you can read this. Hopefully you can. It's just this section here that I was reading. But yeah, this is very interesting. Look how bent this is. This is definitely a used. It's been returned. It's 100% been returned. Amazon's given me a returned item. Anyways, now do you know what? That gets me a bit worried because I think, is the quality going to be good then? I've watched a lot of reviews and stuff regarding this. That's why I've made this purchase. It's a very budget mic, but apparently the quality is amazing. Let's open this bubble wrap. I'll just put the knife out of the frame there. This has definitely been opened. Definitely. Look at this. Okay, this is used. I'm not going to return it as long as it works. I can't be bothered with that process. But look at what's this? What's this? There's a hair. I can legitimately do a DNA test, find out whose this is. Hold on, I need to pick that hair out. Look at that. What have these people been doing with this? Putting their hair into the mic. That's actually disgusting. I'm a bit confused. Let me just show you the box, and hopefully we can see if there's any damage together. There's obviously this that I've noticed. I can't believe that this is a used item that they've given me, and I purchased it with the brand new price. Do you know what? I think this is trying to teach me a lesson. And the lesson is the fact that just buy used from now on. Stop trying to buy brand new. I don't know what my problem is. I like to buy brand new. Boom. And then that opens this part. Okay. Let's see. I am upset. I am legit. Do you know what? I'm upset. I can't believe that. I bought this from Amazon, by the way. It's not like it's going to even ruin their brand. There's such a monopoly. I'm not going to say oligopoly. I think they're monopoly. They own pretty much the world. Anyways, let's nicely open this. There's quite a bit of padding here. Show you through here. There's padding. Somebody that's closed it obviously left half the padding out. And whoopsie daisy. I do like the fact that it comes in a very nice little briefcase, like box type thing. I don't even know what you call them. Okay, so we got some of these. Do not eat, throw away. So it's not food, unfortunately. It's stuff that we actually need to throw away. I'll put that on the floor as I normally do. Here's the instruction kit, the instruction manual, these manuals that come. It's a pencil condenser stick. So this actually looks, wow. So this actually has quite a few items that it's saying that it's going to give, which is already here, obviously. Do you guys want to know something that's insane? I haven't even been recording on my main camera all this time. I thought it was recording, and I've got such a setup where I know when stuff is recording. Basically, there wasn't a memory card in there. What a newbie mistake. Anyway, obviously you guys got a bird's eye view. Luckily that was filming. But anyways, let me just close this box just because I want to show you the box from front end. Sorry. Let me put this foam away, and let's redo this, shall we? So this is the front, the side, the back, the other side, and the top, and the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see that now. Anyway, back to opening it up. So this is how the inside looks. It's got quite a bit of foam. I'm going to put that away. And we were looking at the manual. So yeah, the manual's got quite a bit of information in it. Just so you know, this mic does need to have phantom power. Phantom power is basically a fancy term to say that there needs to be a direct current going into the mic itself. It's not battery powered or anything. Here's some specs of it. So it's condenser, there's a condenser head grill, there's uni, super, and omnidirectional, 30 hertz to 18k hertz, and it's got sensitivity up to that. And the noise output is 24 dB. Anyways, as I said here, the phantom power, this is what it requires. Anyways, just to also show you the graph regarding the unidirectional, this is what the mic, it'll have that logo on it. Super directional, so this is the super cardioid basically, and omnidirectional, which is everywhere. That's where all the sound will come from. I'm probably going to use the super cardioid with this, but what we'll do is let's continue with the unboxing of everything that's in here, and I'll show you guys a closer look. So let's start with, this is just a foam to put on top of the mic to basically stop wind noises. Wow, it's, my finger fits into this. Okay, lol. It's not nothing too fancy. This is, it's good that they give holders for this. which is actually pretty good. I'm going to be using this, of course, and hopefully you guys got a good look at this. The thread is obviously huge. It's 4 normal stands anyways. This is the mic itself, what you guys have joined this video to see. I hope this is high quality enough for you guys when viewing this. You get 2 of the same mics, and both of these are XLR input. And as you can see here, that's the logo that I was talking about regarding if it's Omni, super cardioided, or cardioided mic. You can actually take these off by unscrewing it. That's how easy it is. I'm just showing you a live example. That's what's inside. Now, what's interesting is they give 3 different ones. So I'm just showing you here. Each 3 has a different logo on top, which, if I can hold it properly, shows you exactly which one's which. And the good thing about this is there's 2 mics. So there's basically one which is a backup, which is awesome, and basically what I want. And yeah, so they call this a pencil stick mic. Why? It's so tiny, like it's like a pencil, even though it's more not like a pencil, lol. It's just a bit tall, like this. I hope you all enjoyed my video of this unboxing of the Neewer 410 mic. It's a very budget mic. You can get it for under £100. I got this actually on offer. I can't believe they gave it to me used. I'm really upset about that, but there's nothing really I can do because I want to keep this. As long as everything works, I will be keeping it. But yeah, I'll obviously probably make another review about this, tell you guys how it's actually been using this, if I've enjoyed it, what challenges I've had, and what the quality has been like. Let's pop that in. I don't know why that's sticking out. I do like the fact that this came in such a nice box. This is very, very lovely. It's very well protected. But yeah, if you did enjoy watching this video, please do pop a thumbs up on this video. Comment down below if you have any comments or if you've been using this and if you've been enjoying it, etc. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I upload videos every Wednesday. Hopefully you guys can see that. I don't know if people that have already subscribed, you guys have probably noticed I do quite a lot of unboxings. Yeah, I get quite, I don't know, I've got a issue with buying a lot of items, lol. And to be fair, you probably even noticed that all my gear that I've purchased, you've basically got a gear list of what I use to film all of these videos. But anyways, yeah, subscribe, like, comment. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care.